Kigima mwanchi muligelia begitaseni Kiandizi TV litukoneria Jumatatu chitariki 15 cy'umutinyo 5 mwaka w'ekiri bubere 2024 chinsani 2 cyabona mubaso asinebere ngwerubele bwikiranu kwaneke buna nakweretere amangana mayabu nabereka gwatika kora chingongo chonsi inye chense nabakonde gutubwatia asinsemo chichi mitandao sensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News na wege website www.ndizitv.net iritarane Frida Kerubo nalio kwaneke mna chibi channel yogiria gukira sole asinchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail toskato nyegerangu ire nanda sege keke kerbosio elinde ngumanya mange asinchira yowenye. Mwanchi umurigere lyango kwaligani bene linde tobe togosanga asobwamo gochaka bono igago ika omoelio amayaye birebigani gotoko yachaka korwa sorgongo rwagusi asengo kumanyabuna oyobole tekergo kyobo MCA korwa ase wodi enyansiongo gwetera ase kyama gyakanu aserita Alexander Mosevi nigo aganitie konyora oboene bwaye ayamagayo koibwana abantu batamanyiri korwa ase kakyomotenyi ogatano omwako yega askorengana nere nigo abo bisa batenenerete obotuki babere bakolenta egosori anene chinga kebataraba bakolenta file yaye asensemo yakeroka elinde kinekyo kebe kegotegererwa nonyana boni gabere gakwene kyabuna umonto yomo oyolingo mukagerwa nigabete gakubiko byara asikolende nonyana bo abete egakwigurira okwana omwakili oye nigo ayenekebna Alexander ni chinga kechiga aboneta konyora obwene bwaye.
Monday morning keron bueta sa korukunga sogete korungana asokira compound disco ase biasara abantu bakike batatu babe yomabe te uniform ya wasgai ante binga nitakeire police station matutu nga nimbwate amagoso na re omanana tete to sort out na kare onte ngamba company to na waiting ka inko watetiansi eke to ma ko enda manya what is that kanje na yo ko koramagoso and na so te gari yuma ase a market ya factory around the road ga market ya Nyansiongo egari gansa go speed towards Keroka towards Kisi abantu bawansa go assault kongolesi miana bawansa go boring wide criticize the area MP nga oferi service delivery and on one tete ko enda wan nisete kongole into biana bagonsi ba ne binding wire amagoro togo ikabosongo yomo yobete uniform gago somewhere bosonga segari atenete na rokia wansi beto mutu yomo agoika oyo ndega gokora gentuki bakobe como echokora gete gari maega bagonso bakondari biroge bagonso bamutu segari ge wansa go speed one again towards those sides of Suneka which bonchari mata kochiruti yawen on the way kero yo echokore ya sagon tocha ikaba painful ikaba unbearable gansa go fight back on ambalance wa maoko kawa fight back na kurta chinta cho yani ko tema ko kwerwane rere gari yo menganya na akiro murango igokira to murango igoka nkamane chiko overpower this guy is yo ma ikomsa eyanga ocha gari me edinte tingu chisco oyo mga yo nda usike merango no ya chokole tabwate bigoti tinyara gokura buna tu agenda to kurwana nye na enda to kurwanerera ingu kurwe gari wa mpegete yasaga nkonya nganyara kugwa egari yako genda ngababwa chinguru nganyara kugwa egari yako genda kero uriende asinyitu concentrate kwa ndi ka konsa abantu b'ekipikipiki mpalinge balingoeta bakamnyoka bakakonya bakandeta DCI Bosungu. DCI ekang'ira Nyamitari nkabeka report ende. That was on 11th. Ekang'ira Nyamitari nkaba treated have been KTRH for the past 2 months paka buna nabwenire yanarigenge. Sawa DCI babora buna Bosungu bagakirwe simu bagatewa arrest abantu abo bagacha bakang'akira one of the Sundays tukaenda tukalia abantu abo tukamanage to arrest one of the suspect. That suspect was detained, was arrested akaletwa Bura police station, Matutu police station, akaba in custody. Agaansa kotangwa the following day I thought nganko bari produced in court. Jingo fora pungate unga ga chita karwa ana wata press. Since then suspect hiyo kaini Nyamitari ngatenga ya hiyo Nyamitari later the following day akaba released on a cash bail. That's what I was told by the police. So I've been following na a cash bail hiyo to nga appear in court today on Wednesday. Cash bail hiyo tutachitiwa paragento tarach go collect court in there on the court. We have been here with my lawyers and been following with the ODPP. But I want to if I there are some instructions in prepared. Kwa dikuwa na naganya serikali na ODPP na IG wa movie wa record this file kiagara. My report is well known from DCI, even at the ODPP. They are aware of my complaint because this is a serious issue.
My complaint on behalf of my client is that justice delayed, justice denied. We are praying for justice. Let the people who abducted him, let the file to be produced in court.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Migori kubwatirana ne byombe binde nigegendete kubeka emerobere mikirano yokwenekia obulendio byachinga kichoko ya amadini ekerenge kenene no gutanga abamenyekorwa ase orogongoro asokonyora amaroire nabo igokonyora amabe aliago chachinga kichoko ya amadini amachiko atabwatiri gosobulendio bya botayo boigoni go baligire chinchira cyogokenya obutumiki bwa Mercury chinga kichoko ya gold na boigo kwenekia oburendio bya asaba koya.
Mercury ni mbaya kwa maisha yetu, imejulikana, lakini mpaka wa sasa ile njia ya kutumia njia ya kuosha dhahabu ili tuwe na dhahabu yetu kwa mkono yetu bado haijapatikana. Kwa hivyo kwa njia ya Mercury hatujakuwa sawa sana.
As ASMAC, the major part that we've been doing is advocating or advocacy about the health issues or health related issues of the miners, sensitizing them on the use of mercury and the dangers that can come through by inhaling the mercury fumes.
We are also engaging different partners, like we have WIMA or Women in Mining, we have Solidaridad, and of late we have Planet Gold, which we have signed a memorandum of understanding with, is going to have demo sites where they are going to have demonstration of how gold can be processed without using the chemical of mercury. And this is an initiative which is going to take 1 year, and once they are done, then the equipments will be left for the county government to continue.
Magega yumurai wense gukora bene etariaye asense ya Switzerland nigo aberega kwirana wika asense ya Kenya nigo aikiranite asense mejo na boigo gutwara ege karona baraibande ase ogokwanira engana yokorenta omulembe asense meri ya Ukraine kolende nigo babete bakomochia ense ya Russia ase kolenda chisegi ya sense meri ya Ukraine chinga kibabere bakobolia chinse chiekoli chinchira chogosonsora emichando yabo likalio kolenta chisege. Omuraibe kiama gia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigaburirie obomoko ene kigwagati ya barai ryokwirobera bwikirano bosi bobochori bo mwaka bwekiri 2025 okwananigo agikeire ebikorwa bya barai kongusana na gati yabo naboigo gutumika abasae ase okorenta ogwatananika naboigo kubaturubania boigo nigo aburirie abarai gocha amo naboigo gutingia siasa chobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja.
Mimi maneno kutoka leo leaders, and this is from your party leader. Yes. We will call you out when we hear of violence. Hii tabia lazima ikome kabisa na ikome. Kwa hivyo mpendane. Leaders, pendaneni. Because the cost will be very expensive. It will be very expensive if you continue to fight each other, to hate each other for nothing. For nothing. And yet you're in the same party. Imagine, watu wa Wiper wakipigana. Hatutakubali. Na wale vijana mnatumwa kufanya kuchochea. Wachaneni na hiyo maneno.
And we need to make sure that we get rid of this disaster. And the way to get rid of this disaster is to work together. That is why I'm here. Nimetoka kwa mlima. Mmepokea salamu za Uhuru Kenyatta. Ruto atapata Mount Kenya. Mimi nataka kuhakikishia. And my work between now and then is to say Ruto home. But I need your support.
Obokoreri nigo borabe bogotenenigwa ase bigambero chingaki abanachi ebina baratwale okorobekana kubwatkana no goitwa koyo mobo gose komunachi ebina korwa ase kigambero kelgia makadara osanga nigo baenekyabna nigo barachake okorobekana chitaliki 19 chumutinyo gatano nalimo mwako yega oika chitaliki 24 askolende babere bakobolia eserikali kubaenekelia obolendi chinga kicho bokoreri bwabo eri gotanga ebikoro nebyo gwikirana asa matuko abosyo.
We observe a moment of silence in honor of our late sister that caused a trigger-happy senior police officer to majestically and unfettered walk towards her, draw a gun at her at close range of about 1 meter, scold her for the ruling she had just delivered before pulling the trigger. The gun was aimed at her vitals. 4 bullets were lodged in the body of Hon Kivuti. The organs of government, which should be facilitating the judiciary to ensure a safe and secure work space, have failed.
We have had instances where we have lost our members. We even had to do a street protest in Eldoret when a colleague was murdered. And to date, we have not had any investigation or resolution coming out of an investigation.
Deputy Registrar's judicial staff will stop providing services from the 19th day of June 2024 to the 21st day of June 2024, both days inclusive. Number 2, that forthwith the members of these associations shall not conduct any judicial proceedings in the open air, shall not conduct any judicial proceedings in the open air, whether under a tent, container, or any shift structure.
Finance bill yo mwaka w'ekiribu bibiri mirongo ibiri na inye no mwaka w'ekiribu bibiri mirongo ibiri na isano nigegendete kureta libirera asense ya Kenya agati abali babiri bagwesokia asobwango bwigana barikorwa ase chikanisa chinga kibabiri bakubolia ababunge koeneke buna nkoligereria bali amaganyo yo mwananchi anene ase okumulikira omusado yo wechibesa chinga kibaenekira buna onye baro chingango cholikolento bokongo anena saba Kenya barachikoba bago chandika nere byaba bebakuyuaka isiko.
We as common citizens, sisi wananchi wa kawaida, our representatives in the lawmaking process of this country, it is our MPs who constitutes the National Assembly. If there is anything that they feel in the current financial bill is not the best interest of a common person, it is their responsibility to see to it that is not passed into law. That is why the Kenyan Constitution has given them the mandate to approve all the proposals that are made by the Treasury in our finance bill. It is them that approves them. They have the budget committee with them. They have the parliament that approves and passes into law. So if they give us something that will be oppressive to the common person, they have to blame. They are only given fair share of our taxes. They should not be excess. Ile mwananchi hataweza. Bwana asifiwe. There are some commodities that should be considered when taxation is being made.
Kubatikana nugusira kumo bisa kura sensemeri ya National Intelligence Service nigo abarayikura sorgongo rwa Nyanza babiri bagwesokia bene nabo igokugania obotuki gokorekana nonya nabo nigo babiri bakurwa ebirengereri byabo asi babiri bagutuguterare engana buna nigo abetega kwerusia obomoyo asibaganire nga nigo obotuki borabe bogokorekana nabo igokumanya ekikeirerete ere gusiria obugima bwaye.
And I want to tell you what Koyo is saying.
Thorough investigation must be done on Tom's death. We cannot just allow it to go the way you people want us to go.
Somebody that whose mental status would be assessed and reassessed before being given a gun. Before promotion, the forces that he worked for must have assessed him. I don't know why we will be saying that he committed suicide, yet he was just promoted the other way with proper assessment from the forces.
Where I am sitting and where I stand as a son of this community and a leader in this community, I am persuaded that my brother is lying here because of the curse of being a Luo. And that is the message that must go out.
Those old special rights people with big arms and red eyes, he removed all of them and brought educated people like Tom Adala and the rest. So do us proud by securing this country, by going back to the script that were left behind by Wilson Ayabei Boynet and improve on them and make this country safe and good for us all.
Naomba, let's make laws to make the working conditions of police officers. Let's make laws to ensure that we create an environment where these people can go and ventilate. These people have a lot of problems in their head.
Mwanche murigereria kurwa soroboti uruni onikiro moelio obwamangana maya asebire biga kurende toska tonyegera chikoraga chinsa 10 ayona mange nenyara senchera yobwenye nabakwenda kutobwatia chinse mochiche mitandao asense moya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net magachi kamera soko eneke na ebicha na bagelio giria gukira sore asenchera yabene nere nyanchama Abigail bakobwaterana nere Melen wochabereria ne Frida Kerubo twara oboligereria borobia.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.